Module 2, Customization Studio. Now we will understand the Customization Studio module from which you can use reporting templates. To customize reports to match your needs, use our extensive library of pre-built templates, import a new template or create and customize a new template tailored to your workflow. From the left side panel, select Template Library. Click on the Add New button to add a new template. The template editor will appear. Fill out all the required details. Once details are filled, the Process Template button will be enabled. Now click the Process Template button to fix any structural or formatting issues. After the template is processed, the Reset to Appear button will be enabled. Use it to reset the template if needed, or click the Save button to save the template. Now the template can be viewed in the My Templates section. To add template with AI, click on the Add New Template with AI button. Describe your template needs via recording or typing, and let AI generate the template for you. Click on the Create Template button to proceed. To import a template, click on the Import button. Choose the file to be uploaded. Once a file is imported, click the box to enable the check, which would enable the Save to Drafts button. Click on the Save to Drafts button to continue. All the imported files will be visible.